Hey guys, it is the 22nd of December and we have this little amtech 20 millimeter padlock, so another tiny keyway. Let's see if we can get it open. Just knocked over a lock here beside me. And I'm pretty sure we will need the tiny picks. Try tension this way. Try a different pick. Where is it? That was definitely an overset. Pretty sure overset pin 1. Actually, let me try something on this one. Then we probably need one that are a little... Ah, shoot. Yeah, I figured as much. Okay. Don't think this makes any difference, but wasn't really what I want to try anyway. If I could just get top tension on this lock, then I think I can avoid oversetting pin 3, but that doesn't seem to be a possibility. Well, kinda. But then I need something deeper than that. I can probably... No, I can't. Yeah, I can't be there for this one. That doesn't make any difference. So the problem is, I think, the long pin there in the middle. I can't get in there without oversetting it because I can't top tension. If I have a tension in here, the picks are too thick and will overset it, and I can't put top tension on because that is apparently not a possibility. anything I put in there just slides around. So what can possibly be done? Still don't think that's good enough, but we definitely need something deeper if that is to work. The top tensioner here can slide out at any point. Come on, open. At least it's stuck in there. Kinda. Did I already overset it? I think I did. A little unsure if I did it there as well. Of course. I have a bit of a hard time hitting pin 1 without pushing out the tensioner. What is it I'm missing here? Yes, okay. So it just needed a smaller pick. Okay, let me just put these away before I forget where everything has to be. Made it a little easier that we have the key. I will say though, it is the third time I try this lock, I think. But anyway, we got it, and it adds a little color to the tree. Since we have a key, we just do that. All right, let's move over here and put it on the tree. Right there. That was the 22nd. Now we just need another 2 locks. Hopefully tomorrow won't be too hard to get open, and then we only need the lock for Sunday, which is the 24th, and I know that is going to be a pretty easy lock, but that is also going to be next year's star. So yeah, so far so good. I have had trouble with 2 locks mostly, so that's better than the last 3 years where I have really had to struggle with the last punch. But as I said, there's only the hardest ones left, and we still need one tomorrow. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.